Are you in fear every time you speak in front of others? Do you feel the butterflies, the anxiety, and you start sweating and your breathing starts going so fast you can't speak? Alright, but then this video is for you. Next time when you feel fear, this is what I need you to do. Start conditioning your mind to realize that fear is not something that you must overcome. Instead, it's something that you must live above and something that you must leverage. Fear itself is also an energy, just like everything else that you experience, joy, anger, etc. As an energy, it is important that you leverage it to take action. So next time when you feel fear, I want you to remember this. Fear is your internal alarm system. It's there to tell you that what you are about to do is important and you must prepare before you take the next step. That is all fear is. That alarm system that says, pay attention, pay attention. After you feel it, if you have prepared on what you are speaking about, all you gotta do is execute, deliver your message, etc. None of us ever overcome fear completely. Fear is part of your natural existence. So forget the idea that fear is going to disappear. It only becomes smaller because you learn how to leverage it and you think of it as a partner before you take action. That's it. See you at the top where the champions belong.